Good afternoon, everybody. I just got off work and I am going to be, well, I'm at Ross because I remembered it existed, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart to get some of my materials I need for, look at the way this person's parked. You almost did it. You almost did something there. But yes, I'm gonna be whoa. I'm just gonna be like trying to make my filing cabinet that I got the other day cute. I'm gonna be getting some stain and things like that for the filing cabinet from Walmart. But right now I'm at Ross. I'm supposed to avoid clothes. Oh, that's see-through as fuck though. Miss me with that shit. Okay, I'm actually here to look at the rugs. Just because rugs are expensive as fuck. I don't know if they'll have what I want, because I'm kind of picky. And just other furniture. I got stuff for there. So big. I kind of really like this, but I think it's cute. But I don't know what I would need it for. I like that. I think that's outdoor furniture though. Oh, it's nice too. God, no, not the blankets. But I like this one. I should get a cart. The fucking music is absolutely blasting in here, but I think I like this one over this one. This one would match better, but like once I get the actual shower curtain, this is just a liner. I think cheeky little surprise on the inside. Moon, sun and moon and stars. I have nowhere to put this. Well, I was just gonna show you what I got. I did end up getting that blanket, so, but I showed that in there, so, and it's absolutely ginormous. So let me just maybe, oh, I'm turning on my windshield wipers. Okay. Under control. Fear not. Hold on. I stuffed this blanket behind my steering wheel so that I can make a makeshift tripod. But I just got some kitchen towels. They were 99 cents each, and I got 3 of them. Same color. They all look like this. And I got some chip clips. Consumerism at its finest. And it's just some soon-to-be dish rags. These were $3.49 for, I think it's six of them. Like I showed you in the store, I did end up getting this. Now I'm gonna go to Walmart. You guys, I just did the most embarrassing thing. I was like, asked a woman, do you have sandpaper? And I'm looking at this right here. Idiot. It is freaking hot. Let me tell you, it's like 90 degrees of freaking disgustingness. I'm not gonna record a time lapse because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll just check in periodically. Good idea. I may have needed to wear gloves. Also, look, I accidentally dripped. It's fine, I'm gonna go back over it. LOL. I think I might just try to go for like a solid, like more solid. I don't know, guys. So my dilemma here. Should I fill in these holes? Obviously they had the handles in them. I wasn't necessarily planning on using those handles. I also feel like they're not centered. Apparently I got it on my face, but I don't have anything to fill it in. I thought I did fill in the holes. I thought I had something. I don't. I'm gonna just paint it. Good morning. I am going shopping again because I love it. But also, I'm going to Ross, which I did already go to, but I'm going to a different location to see if they have any other products. I guess that's the right word. I was gonna go to the gym, but I don't really feel good. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go get some food. It's because I'm due for my period, and I don't know, I just always feel like horrible in a sense. Like, it's weird. Oh, I'm just covering up the camera casually with my finger. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I can't eat and stuff like that. So we're not gonna do physical activity on an empty stomach. And I'm probably gonna get some food from somewhere, wherever sounds good. Because treat yourself with kindness. Woohoo, self-love. Okay, I just ate. I always forget, I was in McAllister's. I always forget if I'm supposed to take my own, like, food, like, trash and, like, throw it away. And I don't ever want to just leave it there, because what if I am? And I, like, asked this other, there's, like, this older couple that was kind of close to me, and I was like, what do I do with it? And he was like, they pick it up, and I was like, oh, okay, thanks, bye, and run away. And just see I'm Nick Merckx, but now I'm about to go into Ross, and I also forgot to mention that there's a TJ Maxx over here too, so I'm gonna be going in there as well. I'm tired. I like that, but I don't know. Basically, I was coming in here to look for side tables, but they didn't really have anything for side tables. So now I'm just perusing, as I do best. As I do best. Is $13 too much for this? I do not know. It's a brush and plunger duo. Fabulous. Fabuloso. I don't know. Don't mind the alarm going off, I guess, but I was thinking about getting like a bag like this. This is $8 for my towels. Yes, I think that. Am I a child? Maybe. Are they $2.49? Yes. You're coming with me. Oh my fucking god. I am crying. This is a dangerous place for sure. I don't even drink coffee. Okay, I did spend some money on there. Did you see those freaking Hello Kitty shits? Oh my god, there was so many cute mugs, which I don't even need mugs. I actually already have some, and I bought one. But now the real fun begins, because I have to go home and like drag my dresser out of my room somehow. So okay, I lied. It's several days later, because I got home and it was 100 freaking degrees, and I did move the dresser out here that day, but I couldn't paint it because it's not supposed to be like over 80 degrees or something, or else like the paint won't set right. But we're gonna try again today.
I forgot to take a before video, but you see the color here at least.
Still working, but it's black. I am not fucking wasting my time painting the inside of that shit. It's hot though. Not as hot as it was, but still hot. First coat is done. I don't know how many coats there is, but I think I'm gonna do only 2 max of the black, and then because I need to start getting the sealant on. He's looking good, I guess. Amateur things. So I just picked up my keys to my apartment. Look, I got it made though into a butterfly already. Easy. I'm super excited. I'm moving this weekend, and it's gonna be fucking hot, but it's gonna be a good time, and I am very thankful that I get to do this. So thank you, universe, and you guys. Okay, so I just got off work and my decorative knobs came in. But first, look at this bubble wrap. It's heart-shaped. They're hearts. Isn't that so cute? Also, the knobs. Pretty cute. They're all like different shapes, you know? So none of them are the same. It's a little bit streaky, but I like it better than before because I hated the gray color. Yeah, that's this finished though, I think, I guess. Plus, I feel like you won't be able to see the streaks as much because it'll be indoors, you know? And if you can, I don't give a fuck. Okay, guys, so currently you're getting a little sneak peek, technically, of my apartment, but that's because I'm working again on this. I think I'm gonna put this inside to cover up these ugly ass stripes. Basically, this is my mom's idea, but it's hello, Lila. It's wallpaper, like peel and stick wallpaper. Let's see, I don't have all the tools, like a squeegee, I think, for smoothing. But since I'm not putting on the walls, all I have is a pair of scissors and a dream. So that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. This was really difficult and it looks like shit. How the fuck do you do this? And also, you can also kind of see the stripes through. So, you know, at least nobody is gonna see this. I still think it's somehow cuter than it was before. Whoever, you know, put this in, it wasn't me, definitely not. But they did a shit job. This is not going good. This is not going good. But it's fine. I'm convinced that it's just character. Yeah. It's not shit. Don't tell me that. Jesus Christ. It's just very wrinkly, but like, I don't know. Like, and I cannot. This is not my specialty. Like, will you quit telling me that I'm shit? I thought she was supposed to be my support cat. Anyway, yeah. It's not horrible. I mean, it is what it is. I'm committing. It's just a little bit wrinkly like a fucking ball sack, but what can you do? Really? I am no pro, and I'm glad I'm not putting this on my walls. Bruh. What the heck is this? I think this happened during my move. Because I literally don't know when else it could have. We didn't even scrape it on any walls or anything, but it was pushed up against the back of the truck, so. But honestly, I might be able to just go color over that with some Sharpie and ain't nobody ever gonna know nothing. Gosh, I love these. These are so cute. Other than the, you know, complete amateur look to it, it's still cute. I have finally finished the filing cabinets. Let me show you all. I ended up not screwing them. I literally just glued them because I could not get it to drill through this. Like, this was fine, but the inside, whatever fucking material this is, I did not want to break my mom's drill. I would have literally been screwed. But yes, so I'll probably just like get black Sharpie and color over the white glue because I did it on both. But is it all working? And then the next task is gonna be to make this a bed for her being Lila. But yeah, I literally could not be fucked. Like, it is what it is at this point. Like, I was also loud as fuck, and I just wanted it to be done and out of sight, or well, out of mind at this point. And yeah, but I really like these though. They're super cute and a nice texture. They're very smooth. But here it is, here it is, here it is. I think the handles are better than the ugly ass boring ones, right? She says, yes, let me eat the super glue as well. Dude, show us your butthole. All right, this is the end of this vlog, so I will see you all next time for more fun things, because I'm a vlogger now. Also follow my Kick channel. I stream Minecraft mostly and Valorant. Kick.com/YummyJosie. The link is down below. Okay, have a good night, everybody. Bye.